SOD episode. It's been a while, but we are all training for today's marathon. Yes, they just started training today. Ready?
In this fucking car, Ben. It's like it's who's on this side, who's on that side. Here you go, buddy.
Oh, thanks, man.
For the driver.
That's smart.
On the car.
Hey, look.
Fire drills.
They're stretching, and what are our boys doing? Just watch.
Drinking.
Got any Baileys in there, Jimmy?
Feeling warm.
Yeah! Jimmy, come on! You made it, man. You made it. Here we are at the Dallas Marathon 2018. Drew Johnson, how do you feel?
Feel great.
Where are you going after this?
I got my team rallying behind me.
Where are you going after this?
Disney World, I think.
Borden chocolate milk, everyone.
There we go, Drew. Drew, can you do the worm?
Jimmy in the back. Jimmy, let's go. Let's go, Patrick. Drew, look this way. Smile. Drew. Diamondback, how do you feel after this run, this marathon?
Awesome. What a great experience. Just happy to have made it through. Luckily, Jimmy was there, carried me through, basically. And Drew, all you guys motivating us is amazing. Good time.
Thanks, Patrick. We'll see you next year.
Hello?
Was he the best teammate you could ever hope for?
He's not bad. I held him back there at that last.
Here we are. SOD. Cheers, everyone. Refine and rally.